Alright, this video is going to show you how to create a Google assignment using the Canvas LTI external tool. So we're going to go to our plus button here so that we can go ahead and add our assignment into our module. And we'll click Add Item. I'm going to go ahead and click into that item so that I can edit it and go to the portion where we will add our Google assignment. If we scroll down here, we're looking at this area here where it says Submission Type. We're going to choose our drop down and select External Tool. We're going to click Find in order to locate the Google Assignments External Tool. We'll just scroll down till we see Google Assignments LTI. When we click that item, it will then open Google Assignments. You'll want to make sure that you are utilizing your Conroe ISD credentials there. We're going to click Continue. You'll see an option either to attach a template item like a Google Doc that you have where you want students to fill in blanks, or a Google Slides that sort of is a similar thing. You want them to fill in blanks or follow the template when creating. Additionally, beside this, if you want students to create from scratch, but you wanted to create that organization of an assignment being turned into you within Canvas, you can click on Create and select which item it is that you want students to have a blank copy of. That will be their own blank item, and then they'll be able to submit it here in Canvas. Let's go ahead and go through the process of attaching an item. We'll click Attach. Then our Google Drive will come up. Notice recent activity is where it lands, but we can also search our drive. We can even use the some advanced search features. We can go into our own My Drive, our shared drives, and we can also even upload items. I'm going to click on Recent for this demonstration, and I'm going to select this particular item here. It's an Instagram story template where students can kind of create a little Instagram story based on maybe your content. Notice here it does say each student is going to get a copy, so they're each going to get their own copy to edit. And then we have two options here, Google Assignments or Canvas SpeedGrader. We recommend using Canvas SpeedGrader because this will help to organize your content the way you're used to seeing it with your students in their different class periods and organized by their last name. If you were to choose Google Assignments, this is going to create one big assignment for all of your classes. And when you go to see student work, it's organized by student first name alphabetically, and it's just all of your students together. So again, we recommend Canvas SpeedGrader. And we're going to Once we click Create, we will land back on a Configure External Tool page. Make sure you have Google Assignments there and click Select. You'll notice there is a unique URL that's created here. That's what is going to generate that item for each student. You may want to click the Load this tool in a new tab if it's not clicked for you. It just gives students a little bit more area, more room to work as they're working within Google. If you close that, or if you unclick that, then what will happen is it will just load right here within the Canvas screen, but you can see that can get a little crowded. So we're going to load this tool in a new tab so students will have the most room to work. And then you'll want to just take care of all the other items like your due dates, your available dates, and then click Save. Now, when students come to this assignment, they will click Load that assignment into a new window, and they'll be able to work on it and submit it right there. And that is how you can create a Google assignment using items in your Google Drive for students to complete and submit to you.